How you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Do your blowing stuff.
You blew your blowing stuff. Can you do it? You done messed it up. Don't bang the bottom of it. Here, do mine. So I can have mine.
Here.
Thank you. Now, do your blowing stuff.
Put that right there in there.
What do you got in your plate?
Oh, my thing to eat.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. What are you drinking?
Root beer.
Oh man, that sounds wonderful.
Do you like your root beer?
Well, I got Pepsi.
Yeah.
I've got grits. All kinds of goodies. Wow, hey, hey, you shot me. What do you think you're doing by doing all that to me?
Can I drink some of your drink?
No, you drink your drink.
Well, your drink is bestest.
Well, I know mine is bestest, because mine ain't got no ice in it.
Does mine have some ice?
Yes. I'm taking care of a chipped tooth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I have some ketchup?
I guess. What are you going to put ketchup on?
Where's my French fries so I can put some ketchup with it?
We didn't order French fries. What's going on out there?
I don't know.
Can you take your coat off and stay a while?
Mommy, can we go to our room?
No, we're going to go home.
No, go.
Hey, take your coat off and eat.
Okay. Make
Show me-
sure we
show
go
me-
to our room.
Show me your new shirts. What's going on in there in your shirts? What kind of hoodie is that?
Just another Justin Bieber shirt.
Oh, stand up. Let's see what's going on here.
You know, like,
Ah! Justin Bieber.
you like this?
You wearing two hoodies.
Yeah.
Oh, well, you're just doing it, ain't you?
But already got broken. Then I just fixed it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So I don't want it broken.
Uh-huh.
So I hate it broken.
Uh-huh.
Like my purse. Like my purse. Like your purse got stolen, right?
Yeah. That happens.
Yeah. So, ah!
Can't you get it?
Nah. Not yet. Didn't get it yet.
I love you.
Them too.
Bye.
Bye.